Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford, and today I'm going to be showing you this 2011 Smart Fortwo. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it around the block and tell you about some of the key features on it. Alright, first get in here. Oh, turn the heat down a little bit. Alright, and we'll get started. So the first thing I want to tell you about the car is it's got a 1-liter engine with 70 horsepower. It is rear-wheel drive, and you're going to get about 31 city, 41 highway. So it's a good in the city car. It drives a little bit different than any other car that I've drove. You have to let up off the accelerator for the transmission to shift gears, and turn here. I actually took this one in on trade a couple weeks ago, and it is a 1 owner, 0 accidents. It's got 55,000 miles on it. A pretty nice little car. A lot of pep for such a little car. Really easy to maneuver, really tight steering. Good pickup. Turn here. It's a pretty smooth riding little car. Alright. Like I said, it handles really well. Again, probably the best thing about this car is the fuel mileage. You get about 31 city, 41 highway. It'd be a good little car if you just need to get from A to B. good riding little car, really tight steering. Alright, get out and do another walk around so you can see it. Again, this is a 2011 Smart Fortwo. It's got 55,000 miles on it. One owner, clean Carfax. Drives really good. Handles, steering's tight. Don't take my word for it. Come out and take a test drive today.